Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited to unveil this new AI phone from Samsung. This is the unboxing of the new Galaxy S26 Ultra. So before we start the unboxing, I would like to say thank you to Smart Infinity for providing this unit, this S26 Ultra. So yesterday, Smart Infinity together with Samsung held a soft launch of the Galaxy S26 series in Makati. So basically this will be the first time for the Infinity members were able to get their hands on the new Galaxy devices. So aside from this phone and also the other S6 series, members also receive some amazing freebies like this Galaxy Watch 7 LTE, and also they have provided smart tags and even a special freebie from their partner bank, Union Bank Wealth. So basically it's a wallet coming from the Union Bank. So during the event, two lucky members from the Infinity have won VIP tickets for the upcoming Jesus Christ Superstar display. If you want to learn more about Smart Infinity, which as well as with their offers, you may visit their official website and also the social media pages linked in the description below. So just check out their site for any promos or basically how to apply for the Infinity plan from Smart. And with that said, let's start the unboxing of this Galaxy S26 Ultra. that's it for the unboxing of this new S26 Ultra. So again, thank you Smart Infinity for this wonderful unit. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button, click the notification bell button for any new videos uploaded to my channel. And again, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day ahead. Bye!